Hi everyone, today we're working on a Hyundai Tucson 2016 models and we got customer concern of seat backrest doesn't go up, it goes down. Let me show you, but won't go up at all. So most of the times is the switch at fault. So we're gonna remove the switch and I'm gonna show you how to repair this without spending any money on a new switch. So we're gonna take the switch off and then I'm gonna show you exactly how to strip it and what to check and what to clean. So you're gonna take them off. There we go. Once they're off, we're gonna come around here. A bit hard one-handed, but I'll try anyway. There we go. Right, and then we go in here. We have this little tab here. We need to press on it and just pull forward like this. There we go. So now it's out of there. And then we're gonna take this connector out of here. And this is our switch. We're going to remove the switch from there with this 3 bolts. Let's take this one. Right, now let's get on the bench and let's strip it apart. So take this one out, this one up. And this is the switch you are interested. So Alright, so let's put it back on now. Let me try to just... Okay, and now let's see what this does. So going up, that's going up, and that's going down. There you go, that's how you fix this. Just make sure you clean all the contacts very well inside. If you have like a little wire brush, some contact cleaner, just make it all nice and clean, and it will work perfectly, as you can see now here. So no need to buy a 400-pound switch, you can just fix it yourself. Right, let's put it all back together now, and that's it. Right, so now that you have seen how to do it, you've seen it working, that's it for today. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you do find it useful, and I will see you on my next video.